Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a Vedic shampoo for hair growth. So we are going to use some Shikakai and some Amla as our Vedic. So Shikakai powder acts as a natural astringent for hair, enhancing binding properties. It cleanses dandruff and cleans the dead accumulated on the scalp. Being a natural conditioner, Shikakai strengthens hair roots and promotes luxurious hair. Amla can boost hair growth when applied topically. It also prevents it actually increases blood circulation in the scalp, which stimulates hair growth. So blood circulation ensures that the scalp gets all the essential nutrients to be healthy, and it also thicken hair. So we are going to use 60 grams of our amla and 40 grams of our shikakai. So this is a rich shampoo, friends, and it really worked well for our scalp. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below if you have ever made an Ayurvedic shampoo. So I'm super excited because you know what, this shampoo was a success and it really worked well for our scalp. So all these herbs promotes hair growth. So make sure that you are precise with your measurements. Actually, I did go in with more of our shikakai and I had to remove some of them so that we are so precise with the measurements. So amla will boost hair growth when applied topically. With the phytonutrients in amla increases blood circulation in the scalp, which stimulates hair growth. Blood circulation ensures that the scalp gets all the essential nutrients and helps to thicken hair, and it will also protect the hair from damage. Shikakai powder acts as a natural astringent for the hair, enhancing binding properties. It clears dandruff and cleanses the dead accumulated on the scalp. Being a natural conditioner, Shikakai strengthens hair roots and promotes luxurious hair. So Shikakai will also protect the hair from external damage. So the tannins and the calcium present in amla also save the hair from any kind of photo damage and heat damage, and tearful and healthy hair is actually promoted, and it also reduces hair for unbalances scalp. So make sure that you stir it so that the powders are well mixed in the water, and make sure that you leave it for hours. I actually left it for hours so that the herbs can infuse in the water. You can also use hot water, but I just use just normal water. So that is how it looks like the color is very rich. It looks more like coffee, right? Have you seen, friends? So comment in the section below. I would love to hear from you. So I covered it with some foil, as you can see, to prevent any foreign materials to fall in our product. And then make sure that you exercise some patience. So that is how it looks like actually after 24 hours, and we are ready to remove the aluminum foil. So at this point it has infused very well, friends. It's so rich, and the color has actually deepened to dark brown, as you can see. So at this point it's ready, and then we are going to strain it using a special strain which I got from Amazon, and it's been actually almost 2 years and it is still okay. So it works very well, and you don't want those residues to be stuck in your final product, and it will be actually a marathon to remove them from the hair. So at this point you need to exercise some patience, because you can even go and do some other errands while you are waiting for the amla and shikakai to be strained. So that is how it comes out, friends. But it is so helpful because you have the clear liquid without any residues. So at this point, that is how it looks like and it's ready. So the residue that has remained, we are going to use it in our deep conditioner, which I'm going to share, of course, on our YouTube soon. So we are going to measure 95 grams of our Amla and Shikakai. And then I'm going to add in 60 grams of our distilled water. This is actually our phase A, which is the water phase. And we're also going to add 75 grams of our glucoside. So glucoside is actually a natural non-ionic surfactant, used in cosmetics formulas, including a baby shampoo, and it is actually plant-derived, biodegradable, and gentle for all hair types. So it is a very gentle surfactant. Then next, we are going to add our betaine, 30 grams of betaine. So betaine decreases irritability while increasing the active content level of products and quality of the lather produced. So we also added 41.4 of alaular glucoside, which is derived from natural sources. It is a foaming agent, which is only gives good rather, but it is an effective cleanser too. So we also added some glucoside, which gently cleanses the scalp without irritating it. It is made from sugar and coconut, as well as tolerated by the skin and hair. I'm also adding 3 grams of our sorbitol. So sorbitol is rich moisture. It will soften hair and is the most effective humectant, which pulls moisture from the environment. It also binds with the dirty and grime of the scalp and makes it water soluble within, which gets washed away while shampooing your hair. So our phase B is our guar and our glycerin. 6 grams of our glycerin, and we're going to use 1.5 of our guar. So make sure that you hydrate your guar with some glycerin. So guar actually will thicken, and it's actually water-based. It is used in water-based products, and it's so gelling thickener agent. And glycerin is a humectant. It will draw moisture from the environment, to the hair, making it so soft, and it's one of the most effective humectants. So this cleanser is full of cleansing properties and softening properties. That is what we went for. We wanted to go for, friends. So make sure that you hydrate it, until it is well combined or homogenized. Actually, you won't see any lumps once it is homogenized. So comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel and you are watching this video, subscribe to our channel, friends. So that is how it looks like it's ready. So at this point, we are going to add it to our water phase, and then we are going to put it on heat. So actually, I did scoop all of the xanthan gum into our water phase. So at this point, we are going to give it a stir again. So as you can see, it has started, like those foams you are seeing, which have been introduced in there. They are minimal, of course, but if you were to use a high shear, you have a lot of bubbles. So those are minimal bubbles, like mix gently. As you can see, we are using a glass stirring rod, so gentle. So once you are done, make sure that you put it on heat. So let it sit on the heat for a few minutes, and then give it a stir. Stir gently, friends. So once we are done, we are going to remove it from the heat. So that is how it looks like. As you can see, the color is so rich, and I love this. So at this point, we are going to preserve our product using UXI PE 9010. This is very, very important to prevent microbial chlorine in your final product, or your product to be useless at the end of the day. So we are adding 3 grams of our preservative, and then we are going to stir again. So stirring is important so that all the products are homogenized. So as you can see, like the color has changed. This shows that the pH is high. So we are going to measure the pH. We want to go for 5, which is 5 or 5.5, which is good for the scalp. So I've just gotten my pH strip. So at this point, our pH is high. As you can see, the color is changing, has changed to green. As you can see, friends. So we are going to measure the pH. So the pH was actually above 7. As you can see, friends. So at this point, we are going to add in 0.1 grams of our citric acid. So citric acid will rebalance the pH as the product usually, because it's slightly alkaline by nature. So we are going to use our citric acid. This is a very important step, friends, so that you don't irritate your scalp. So comment in the section below, friends, and share this video to friends in groups where you think they can benefit. So we have added our citric acid, and then we are going to give it a stir. As you can see, the color will start changing, friends. Have you seen? It has changed. So this gives us, a clue that our pH is actually balanced. But you don't have to just leave it like this. You have to make sure that you test it to be so certain. It is very, very important. So I just, tested for the second time, and it was balanced. It was actually 5.5, which is very, very ideal. 5.5. So at this point, our Ayurvedic shampoo is ready. So I'm not going to use any colorant. I just want that color from nature. So I've gotten my packaging. So this bottle, actually, I recycled it. In fact, I bought Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. So this is the bottle that I'm using after I ran out a long time ago. Look at that, friends. So comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you. Look at that, friends. Look at that. It's so beautiful, and I'm thrilled. Yes, I'm so happy, friends. So I'll definitely add an Ayurvedic shampoo to my line, but of course not now, at some point, because I already have 4 products under my line, and I'm just waiting for the labels to be ready. So of course I'm going to share with you on this platform. So at this point, friends, I'm going to use it. Actually, this video was recorded, I think, 2 weeks ago when I'd washed my hair. So I'm going to apply it on the scalp, and it worked very well, friends. So I really love, formulating. Yes, comment in the section below, friends, if you want to learn how to formulate. I do consultation. Comment in the section below, friends. So at this point, I'm going to use it on the scalp. Yes, friends. So I'm trying to grow out my hair, and of course, I'm in a challenge of 6 months, which started actually on 7th February, and it will end in August. So look at that, friends. Like, it really lathered very well. Look at that. Look at that, just on the glove. Look at that, friends. It's so beautiful and lathering, and it won't strip your scalp. So I'll apply it on the scalp. Of course, I just rinse out a pre-shampoo, so my hair still has some water in it, so there will be no need of adding water, of course, because I'm doing this off shower. So concentrate the shampoo on the scalp. And I love the consistent, friends, of this shampoo. Have you seen, like, it lathers very well? So concentrate the shampoo on the scalp and make sure that you massage the scalp to, because massaging promotes blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So actually massaging is one of the rule in our 6-month hair challenge. Like massage, and keep on massaging. Also I did this for at least 5 minutes, and it's so calming, friends, and it releases some migraine if you experience some migraine. So massaging will actually reduce migraines. So please subscribe to my channel, friends. In as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow. Yes, friends. So comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you. So like, this shampoo really worked well for our hair, and it's so gentle, with loaded with gentle surfactants which doesn't irritate your scalp. So I'm just braiding the sections which have unrevealed. So like, I always work in sections, everything in sections, friends. So I will go in the shower and rinse. So of course, like, I made a 300-gram batch of our Ayurvedic shampoo, which will actually last for months and months, probably 6 months. Because in most cases shampoo doesn't run out fast. What runs out fast is actually some leave-in or some deep conditioner. Comment in the section below, friends. That's what I've come to discover. So I'm so happy, friends, and I thank God, for giving me this gift. So now we are going to rinse. Let me just show you how much we use. So we still have more. Yes, friends. So at this point, I have rinsed and my hair was so clean and soft, friends. Just look at that. My hair is so clean and it's so soft. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. So I'll proceed to deep condition my hair. Of course, look out for that video in tomorrow or the other day. I'm definitely going to share.